Hey everybody, welcome to Laura's Kitchen. Today we are going to be baking classic lemon bars. And let me tell you what, this is an easy recipe. It's a classic. The very bottom of the recipe is like a cookie bottom. It's so delicious. So let's get into it. Okay, friends, the first step to our easy lemon bars is to make lemon zest. So the way that you do that is you're going to take a lemon and a little bit of a grater, and you can see down here, I am just shaving the skin of this lemon. But what you want to do is just get the skin. You don't want to start shaving the white stuff. So you're going to shave and then keep moving the lemon around, right? So you don't want to shave the white. The zest is the outer layer. So you can see that I'm moving my lemon around just to get that outer layer. We only need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest for this recipe, so it's not a whole lot. It'll take you just a few minutes. You're going to need about 5 to 6 fresh lemons for this recipe. Okay, so the next step, once we're done with our lemon zest, we're going to set the lemon zest aside. So there's all that fresh lemon zest right there. The next thing we need to do is to juice. We need 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to juice these lemons. I don't have a press, so I am going to just kind of hand squeeze. Come on over here. Say hi to everybody. So we're baking in the kitchen, aren't we, huh? Here's Lilybug. We're going to get the butter out in just a second. Just a second. All right, friends, our next step for the lemon bars is to grease a 9 by 13 pan. So I'm going to I grease that and I'm going to set that aside. Now we're going to take a bowl. We're going to start the crust or the bottom layer of our lemon bars. And we're going to start out with 1 stick of unsalted butter. This is Lily's favorite part. So we're going to put 1, and that's room temperature soft butter. And I've got to let Lily have a little bit of a break here. Ah, sweet girl. Yeah, that's your favorite, isn't it, huh? Yeah, she always gets a little bit of a treat. She gets to lick the wrapper. So, your little bit of a treat, huh? You're showing your backside to the camera, though. Yeah, you're showing your backside to the camera. Your cuter side's facing me. Okay, there we go. Enough of the butter. All right. So we also are going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. So there's 1, a little over 1.5. And we've got a 1/2 cup of sugar. Whoops. I'm making a mess, a little bit of a blooper there. And we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. My older sister would have done the other way around. And we are going to blend this all together. This is going to make more like a cookie bottom crust. It's delicious. So you're going to mix this very, very well. And then we're going to add 2 cups of flour. I'm going to kind of add it gradual here. And this isn't going to be very runny and wet. It's going to be a dough crust that we're going to push in the bottom of our 9 by 13 pan. So we're not looking for it to be very soupy or wet. And there's the rest of the flour. And then we're going to pour this into our 9 by 13 pan. And we're going to press this down with our fingers very evenly in the very bottom of the pan. Almost smells like sugar cookies, actually. It's got a beautiful, beautiful crust bottom. So there we go. We're going to place this into the oven at 350 degrees. We're going to cook this bottom layer for about 18 to 20 minutes. You're just going to kind of watch it in your oven. You don't want it to get super, super brown, dark brown. You just want to bake it just a little bit for 18 to 20 minutes. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so friends, now the next step is a fun part. This is where all the lemon prep that we did earlier as our first step all comes together. This is actually the cake that we're going to mix, and then we're going to pour on top of that beautiful cookie crust as soon as it comes out of the oven. So let's take 7 eggs. I always love to get my eggs at room temperature, right? So you want to pull them out of your refrigerator if that's how you store them. And we're going to drop 7 eggs here. Oops, not the shells. Of course, because I'm filming, I had to drop a shell there just for you, right? And let me tell you, these lemon bars are a classic. It's a classic recipe, and they are great for any day. Super easy to put together right from scratch. And they're also great to take to a holiday get together or a party. I mean, lemon bars are a fan favorite of just about everybody. Everybody loves a good lemon bar, right? Very nice for the spring, for the Easter season, but also really super nice at the holidays as well. I know that my nephew loves to make his lemon square bars, and he brings them at Christmas time every year. So it is a recipe that can be made and enjoyed all year long. All right, so here are 7 eggs. We're gonna whip these up, mix them up, and then we're going to add in 3 cups of sugar. 3 cups of sugar. So there's a lot of protein there. Now I'm adding a lot of sugar. I'm going to fold this in. Next, after that, I'm going to add the lemon juice. 1 cup of lemon juice that we squeezed from our lemons. Coming in next. Oh, now does it ever smell divine? Very, very nice. Smell that juice. And then I'm going to use the tablespoon of lemon zest that we peeled off of the outside of the lemons. And we're going to give that a good mix. And now we're going to fold in 1 cup of flour. This is 1 cup of flour. And we're going to fold this in. I'm going to give it a little mixture here. And now we're going to get all the bits off the side. And you want to mix this until you don't see any of these flour flakes in here, right? Just like anything else that you'd be baking. You want to get that flour mixed in very, very well. I really want to put, this is the part where I want to put my finger in it and taste it. Okay, so here we are. We've got our cookie bottom crust for our lemon bars out of the oven. And you kind of just tell right around the edges, this was 20 minutes, so they just turned a little bit brown. That's the way it's supposed to look. It's still warm, and that's okay because we're going to put the rest of the cake or the rest of the lemon bar batter on top of this cookie crust bottom, and then we're going to pop it back into the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So we're going to pour this batter here all into the 9 by 13 on top of our baked crust. It smells so good. All of a sudden I have a sweet tooth. So this is going to be great. And then we're going to take our 9 by 13 and we're going to place it in the oven. Like I said, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, hey, look at this. There are our lemon squares not right out of the oven. I let them set for a little bit. We're going to pull them out and put them on this beautiful cake plate. Then we're going to garnish the top of them with powdered sugar. Let's pull one out here. Look at here. Look at that. Beautiful, yummy lemon on that nice cookie crust bottom. Now, if your lemon bars are a little bit brown when you take them out of the oven, that's okay because we're going to put powdered sugar over the top of them. Look at that. Scrumptious. You can cut them, obviously, any size that you want. Oh, look at that one. Woo! Beautiful. That's kind of a bigger lemon bar. This one's a little bit bigger as well. Oh my gosh. These are so good. It's a little corner piece. Boy, these are awful big too. I guess I cut them big as Texas today. I don't live in Texas. I just, All right, so we're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on these here. See how this goes. Yeah, so we're just going to shake this all around. Yeah, when your other tool breaks, this is what you use. And it is kind of making a mess, but I like a lot of powdered sugar on top. And aren't these beautiful? Looks like it's snowing on my counter. But it is working, isn't it? We're going to get some over here and look at that. Well, there we go. Now let's try one of these together. Look at that. Beautiful lemon bar. So great. Oh man, so good. It's so delicious, isn't it, Lily? Very, very rich. I want to cut these small. Mmm. Look at that. Woohoo! So good. I just eat the whole thing. Yep. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.